money I have to pay. I have to take all of you to Big Bazaar and everything. How I will listen, Amma? It is business. Obviously, I have to gain something, na? Okay. Let us assume that I will increase this to 20 minutes. Can you buy?
We can try.
Again, why question of try? What is the problem? Now I doubled the time. Okay. You enter the Big Bazaar. You went to the specific zone, and then you ask what is your first question, Amma? You or that salesperson, what he will ask? What is the first question you are able to face from your side or that person? Anything is acceptable. Any response?
Sometimes we will ask, sometimes they will ask.
Whatever it may be, you please tell me what you will ask, what he will ask. Anything.
They'll ask, what do you want?
What do you want? You told so and so dress I want. Okay, next. Any counter question from that guy?
Which type of dresses do you want?
Ask what size you want. Okay. He offered you that size 7 dresses. Agree? Out of which 2 are fantastic. Can you buy and you will come to the payment counter?
We'll do trial.
Why you did trial? Why you are not? Why you did trial? My question is that. Yes, Amma?
It should fit us.
Oh, then you have doubt over that dress, huh? Why you told your size? See, bear careful.
Satisfaction, no, sir.
Satisfaction. You want everything instant and satisfaction. How it is possible, Amma? Today you took admission in engineering, you will become an engineer. Huh? No, remember that. So you have to go for trial. Okay, as per your version. You went for trial and 2 dresses are not properly fits you. Then what you will insist? What you will insist? They are not fitting properly. Despite of you told your size. What is the next question?
We'll ask bigger size or smaller size.
Bigger or smaller. Sometimes it may be loose, sometimes it may be size. Okay. He offered you as per your requirement. Again, 7 dresses. 7, 8, 9. I'm taking one random figure. Then, out of which, can you select anyone? Can you select? Any response? Can you select?
Again, we will trial it, sir.
Again, trial is the next question of whether you select. First you select, you see that he shown, then we selected. After that we went for trial. Select చేయలేదంటే ట్రయల్ ఎక్కడ చేస్తావురా? Yes. Why I asked this question, Amma? Anytime you thought like that? Because the color which you selected, these 2 are not available in this set. You are insisting him to show this color, but he is telling that no, it is not available. We have these many. You want to buy it. Then one of your friend who is a partner with you, తీసుకోరా ఏమో తీసుకోరా ఎందుకు మంచిగా ఉందిరా ఎందుకురా లాస్ట్ 1 hour నుంచి వారు పట్లాడుకుంటున్నాము ఇది మంచిగా ఉందిరా ఇది ఏంటి సార్ ఏంటి మంచిగా ఉంది సార్. Can you observe? The guy who is accomplishing you will get irritated. because he is not purchasing anything, but you are irritating that salesperson. Simultaneously, you are irritating yourself, and finally, you took one dress forcefully and you come back. There is the question of satisfaction, Amma. There is no question of satisfaction. How many students went for tailoring? In tailoring, can you do trial and error? In tailoring, can you did trial and error?
No, sir.
No, there is no question of trial and
Once
error.
if it is
Because
stitched, we
that
can alter it.
alteration is different. This dress is stitched with respect to your requirement, because it measurement as per your body. These items are prepared in general context. Jagrata Mamma, I am not teaching only engineering. I am teaching the future engineers how the engineer has to develop his product. Because in ready-made, it is the instant thing, but you have to sacrifice, you have to compromise, because you are not wasting your valuable time. Then you have to surrender, whether with respect to color, whether with respect to fitment, whether with respect to that. After taking that dress also, you have to go for alteration. Can you know about this? Can you heard these words?
Yes, sir.
Jagrata Mama, what I am teaching. As a future engineer, you should be keep in mind, because these things will play. But if you are patient, you have that thing, design the product specifically for specific entity, then there is no trial, nothing. It is 100%. This is called actual method. This is called approximate method. Here the dresses are designed in general. They don't know, they will take. And how many times there are, we know the size, but size will vary with respect to brand. You know what is the meaning of brand? You know what is the meaning of brand? Yes sir, no? Yes sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Jagrata Mamma, everything is a variable, but here everything is a fixed. So these entities will make. Now, you see, knowingly, unknowingly, I divided this into 4 parts. What I will do trial and error. This compass method, one more name is called or trial and error method. I am telling different names also. Or approximate method. Jagrata Mamma. Any way he may ask. Now, what I am doing, already I selected. I am only dividing. If I divide one quadrant, can I divide other 3 quadrants? If I divide one quadrant successfully, can I divide other 3 quadrants?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Why? Why? Why?
No, sir, only opposite quadrant we can divide.
Nothing. Once I divide one quadrant, can I divide all quadrants? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All are
Yes, sir.
same. All 3 quadrants are same. 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Don't get. Now, what I will do? I will take this value. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Exact vachinamma. Exact one. I will vary. Luckily, I do first, second. What happened? The dress is bigger size. So what I have to do? Now you will ask salesperson to show
Small size.
small size. I will reduce its size. Again, I will measure this. Again, I will do trial. Again, it is somewhat big. Next, what you have to do? Again, this method is called trial and error method, but it is up. Now you see, I got this value. Once I got that value, this value is C. Same value I got it. Now this idu kanpadali first quadrant dagara, because first quadrant only be taken into consideration. Jagratam, what I am telling. Understand? This method is called try. First quadrant దగ్గర నాకు ఈ రీతి కనపడాలమ్మా. Next you can divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is 12. This is called trial and error method or compass, because here we not use protractor. Protractor is a device to measure angular dimension, but here we don't have protractor. Then we know how to make it approximate. This method is called exact method or actual method. This method is called approximate method or compass method. Do it. Any doubts? Got it? What is the basic difference between these two methods? As an engineer, you should not say, sir, this is not there, that is not there, that's why I not did. Don't give any unwanted reasons. We engineers are having capability to do anything without available resources. Then only your talent will be taken into consideration. Everything if I provide, what you will do? What is your duty? If nothing is there, if you do something, then only recognition is there. I'm not talking just only in general context. I'm talking with respect to future thinking, how you should be. Don't surrender. The guy who is having guts, courage, determination, he will successful in life. And it won't comes. It comes by your confidence, your belief on yourself, your trust on yourself. And that has to be developed. If you develop that, you will be a successful engineer in future endeavor. Please note down. So I want these figures. If you don't write title also, I am not bothered. But I bothered about figures. In the inter-INT, protractor method, compass. Finish. No need to write. Divide a circle into 12 equal parts. We know that itself is a circle. Here, title is not important in geometrical construction. Figures are important. What we are learning? We are learning how to use geometry in future endeavor. Once finished, please tell me. Compass means I want this type of markings. It indicates we trial. We did trial with different probabilities. And at last we got approximate result. It is not exact, you see. Finished. Everything should be there on your notebook. Yes, any response? If it is finished, let me know.
Finish.
Finish the lesson. Next. So we know if line is unknown, then also we can divide into equal parts. If circle is there, if we don't have protractor, then also we can divide that into equal number of parts. Okay. Next. Construction of polygon. Construction of regular polygon. Construction of regular polygon. Construction of regular polygon. What do you mean by polygon, Amma? What do you mean by polygon?
Closed shape. Closed shape.
Closed shape is. Acha, line is a polygon.
No, sir.
Point is a polygon.
No, sir.
Triangle is a polygon.
Yes, sir.
Square,
Yes, sir.
pentagon,
Yes, sir.
hexagon,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
octagon, heptagon, tetragon, nanogon, all
Yes,
gone.
sir.
All are
All close service.
okay. Circle, circle, circle.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Agree. All are polygons. Any closed entity, its start and end points remain same. Its start and end point remains same. Okay. Now my first question is that what is the difference between equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle?
Sir, circle is not
Equilateral
polygon.
triangle,
Sir.
all sides are equal. Isosceles, only two sides are equal.
Okay, then whether it is a polygon or not.
Both are polygons.
But then what is the difference between these two entities? What is the difference between these two entities?
Angle.
That is not the way. Okay. What is the difference between square and rectangle?
In square, all sides are equal. In rectangle, only parallel sides are equal.
Whether both are polygon,
Yes, sir.
then what is the difference?
In
What is the
square, all
difference?
line segments are of equal length.
Somebody told circle is not a polygon. Circle is a polygon. Amma. Circle is a polygon. Can you tell me difference definition of circle? Circle.
Horizontal and vertical are equal, but in ellipse different.
Yes. How to differentiate?
So circle in vertical and horizontal same, but in ellipse different, sir.
Simple, you have to tell. Circle, major and minor axis remain same. Circle, 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 major and minor axis remain
Same,
same. In ellipse,
different.
different. Finish one line answer. In circle, major axis equal to minor axis. In ellipse, major does not, major and minor axis differs each other. Okay. How to construct Equilateral. Regular means this is polygon. Polygon is a closed loop. Then what is the meaning of regular, Amma?
All sides are equal.
All sides are equal. Square is a regular polygon. Rectangle is a
Polygon.
rectangle is a
Irregular polygon.
irregular polygon. Circle is a
Irregular polygon.
ellipse is a
Irregular.
equilateral triangle is a
Regular.
isosceles is a.
Irregular.
You understand? So what he is insisting? He is insisting regular polygon. Okay. How to draw regular polygons? And first entity of polygon is triangle. First entity of polygon is
Triangle.
triangle AB. Its side is given 30. I am taking roughly. Its side is 30. How to draw equilateral triangle, Amma? Take AB as a radius. Take Jagratam. Now onwards, your attention is in AB as a radius, A as a center, cut the R. Same BA as a radius, B as a center, cut the R. Idu R kanpadali. Can you agree? Yes or no? Its internal angle is
60.
60 degree. What is the summation angle of triangle, Amma?
180.
180.
180 degree. Jagratam. Idu. So now you see AB is 30, BC is 30, CA is 30. All sides are equal. This angle is 60, this angle is 60, this angle is 60. All three are 60. So that's why it is called equilateral triangle. It comes under regular polygon. Okay. Any doubts? Compulsory you have to draw by arc method. This here I used arc. Arc kanpadtunda see దగ్గర. Visible?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will take again 30. A, B, again, dimension. Only one side is known. AB is known, but still we can construct. Polygons. How to construct rectangle, Amma? How to construct rectangle? Square. How to construct square? Any idea?
With protractor keeping 90.
Apart from that, apart from that,
From A1 arc, we'll draw, sir.
arc ఎందుకు కావాలమ్మా? What is the internal angle of? Draw perpendicular line from A. Perpendicular means
90 degrees.
What is the internal angle of rectangle?
90.
Right angle, 90 degrees.
90 degree. A, B, C, D. This is the way you have to construct square. A perpendicular. If it is 30, take 30. B perpendicular 90 degree. So all 90, 90, 90, 90. All corners are same. Okay. How to construct pentagon, Amma? How to construct pentagon? Any idea? Pentagon, how many sides, Amma?
5.
5.
5 sides. Jagratam చూసుకోండి. Triangle three sides, AB, BC, CA. How many corners? Triangle.
Three.
Triangle, how many corners?
3.
Three. A, B, C. Square, how many sides?
4.
Four. How many corners?
4.
Four.
Next. Pentagon, how many sides?
5.
How many corners?
5.
Okay. Now Jagratam. Now onwards, very important. Because construction of regular polygon, triangle and square is easy. But construction of pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon is very difficult. Listen carefully how I will use, because always we know one side. So I taken, again I am taking value 30. AB is a side. Every time I am doing same procedure. Now onwards, whenever I will start any figure, I will start with single line, but when I conclude, it is set of lines. Be careful regarding that. What is the known side? One side is known. How to draw pentagon? Here we know its internal. What is the internal angle of pentagon?
120.
Wrong. What is the internal angle of pentagon? What is the internal angle of pentagon? Any idea? Any idea?
108.
108. Very good answer. Pentagon 108. Hexagon 120. Hexagon is 120. Now listen. First I take an AB. From B, I will extend the line. Can I do extend? Can I extend? Extend means
Yes, sir. To increase.
increase. Same value. Keeping AB is equal to BP. Any problem? What is the value of BP?
30.
What is the how much?
Unknown.
Unknown.
30 mm.
30. Here I wrote AB is equal to BP. Now listen carefully. Take B as a center, BP as a radius, or BA as a radius. Same or different? Yes, BP as the same. Draw the arc. Draw the arc. Any doubts? What listen carefully. You have to follow these steps. First, I know AB side. Then what I did?
Extend.
Extend the side.
Extended BP in such a way that keeping AB is equal to
BP.
BP. Same. Okay. Don't write here 30. Only once we will write. Next. What is this angle, Amma? What is the angle? 1. Okay. 180. How many? Which object we want to draw?
Pentagon.
How many sides?
5 sides.
5 sides. Divide that 180 by 5. How much? How much?
32.
Mathematics చేశారా?
36.
36.
Okay. Instead of pentagon, if I asked hexagon, how many sides?
6.
6 sides.
What you have to do? What you have to do? 180 by
6.
30.
how much?
30.
30.
Instead of hexagon, if I ask heptagon, how many
7.
sides? 7. What you have to do?
180 by 7.
If instead of heptagon, if I asked octagon,
8 sides.
what you understand? What you understand? Means procedure is remain same, depends upon what we want to construct. Take that number of sides as a base, divide that semicircle into equal number of parts. Divide that semicircle into
Equal number of parts.
equal number of parts. See, I will keep my protractor here. So what object I want to construct here?
Pentagon.
How much angle Amma it is?
108.
36 degrees.
36. See, 0, 10, 30, 35, 36. 36 plus 36.
72.
72 plus 36.
108.
108 plus 36.
144. 144.
144. I divided this semicircle into 5 equal parts. I divided this semicircle into 5 equal parts. Jagratam చూసుకోండమ్మా. This procedure you have to take. And this figure I want in your drawing sheet. That is must. That's why I asked you people to do recording. No one recorded. Now listen. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5th parts. Agree? How many parts we divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why we divided 5, Amma?
Because it is a pentagon 5.
Because it is pentagon. If hexagon,
6.
heptagon.
7.
Because one more thing I want to tell. I will teach concept. He may ask pentagon, he may ask hexagon, he may ask anything. You have to understand. Here I taken condition pentagon, that's why I divided 5 parts. Okay. Take second division of the part. Always second division. First division, second division. Why you have to take second division? What is the value of pi?
180 degrees.
80.
Pi value
180.
3.16.
3.1412.
14.
Jagratam. One more terminology is
22 by 7.
By 7.
22 by 7. You can claim in this way. You can claim in this way. So it does not make. But why you are taking pi as this value? Why you not asked? Whenever I asked pi value, simply you told 3.14. Similarly here, always you have to take second division. Which one second division? First, second. Listen. What do you mean by bisect, Amma? What do you mean by bisect?
Dividing into 2 equal parts.
Dividing into 2 equal parts. You see, AB I will divide bisect. What is the length of AB, Amma? What is the length of AB?
30 mm.
30 divided by 2.
15.
15. Bisect. Draw one vertical line. Draw one. What is this? With respect to this, it is perpendicular. With respect to that, it is perpendicular. Any doubts? what I did? AB I bisected, and then I drawn one perpendicular line with respect to AB. This is a trademark. Always perpendicular, we will do like this. Agree? Yeah? Cheshara, eppadra?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Bisect B2. What is the value of B2, Amma? What is the value of B2? B2, second division. What is the value?
70.
B2,
30.
30. When radius is same, how value will change? Bisect it and draw perpendicular line. With respect to BPQ, I kept parallel to this. Perpendicular. This should be perpendicular. Idu jagratam cheyalamma. Bisect B2, mark point, draw perpendicular. Wherever these 2 point bisection point intersect, take that as origin. Jagratam chudandi. E bisector, perpendicular bisector, this perpendicular bisector, somewhere they are, what they are doing?
Intersecting.
Intersecting. That intersection point is origin. Take O as a center, O as a center, OB as a radius, or OA as a radius. It is left to you. You take OB or OA. When you have to draw one circle, you have to draw one circle. When you draw a circle, if you taken OB as a radius and it has to pass through A, Kanpadtunda. I taken OB radius, then again it has to pass through A. Draw circle. Any doubts? Any doubts? I am talking to you. This is the procedure you have to follow. Any doubts? Hey, take attendance.